Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to take a look at a set of Chinese numbers and discuss the meaning behind it in the Chinese society. Now, feel free to pause it and think about if you know those numbers, meanings, or how to pronounce those. Feel free to practice it out. I made a video before about counting numbers. If you are still struggling with counting them, it might be a good opportunity for you to take a look at them and review it. Now let's go through these numbers and make sure you got the pronunciation first. We have 996, 886, 007, 857, 798. You got it? Now let's go through the meanings one by one. So actually the top three was talking about working hours. Okay, so 996 is actually very controversial working hours in China, but it does exist. Usually it's in the international companies, which means you clock in at 9 a.m. and yes, you clock off at 9 p.m. and you work 6 days a week. Whoa, crazy, right? So with that pattern in your mind, you probably can get the idea of 886. Yes, so it's 8 a.m., 8 p.m. and 6 days a week. And therefore, 007 sounds a little bit scary, right? So qi here also indicates the days of the week. So 7天. So 00 here is like all the time. So 007 is actually over 24/7 in China. This is a social phenomenon that a lot of young people living in the metropolitan cities such as Beijing, Guangzhou and Shanghai are facing and are struggling with. But we can talk about that some other time. Now let's take a look at the other numbers. 857. Oh, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking about 8 a.m. clock in, 5 p.m. clock off, and 7 days a week. That's not too bad comparing to what we have mentioned above, no? But actually 857 referring to the clubbing. And it's not just any clubbing, it's a party animal schedule, which means you arrive them at 8 p.m. and you only leave at 5 a.m. next day, that is, and you do that 7 days a week. That's pretty crazy and wild, no? And also we also have some sort of like song that sounds like 857, 857. So in a way 857 just extend to the meaning of go clubbing. It doesn't necessarily referring to a rigid time schedule. Well, what is 798? Certainly there are no 8 days in a week, no? Well, if you ever lived in Beijing, you should know 798 is actually an art zone, and I only throw it there because I want to introduce this to you guys. It is merely an address in Beijing. It's a very famous art zone. If you do live in Beijing, do check it out. I've been there many times. It's a beautiful place with many art galleries, and you can buy some artworks of your choice as well. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I will introduce more Chinese related language or words to you in the future. I'm Stephanie, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.